Best steps in selling a house during divorce, Fresno, California. Click Cash Home Buyers. Nay! Introduction. Selling a house during divorce in Fresno, California can be challenging and complex. Divorce brings emotional and financial stress, making the home selling process even more daunting. Issues like property ownership rights, equitable distribution of assets, and negotiations between spouses can complicate the selling process. Key takeaway: this article will guide you through the best steps to take when selling a house during a divorce in Fresno, California. By following these steps, you can minimize stress and maximize your financial outcome. Here are some of the main challenges and complexities you may encounter. 1. Emotional strain from the dissolution of marriage. 2. Legal intricacies of property division. 3. Coordinating between both parties to reach amicable decisions. This comprehensive guide aims to equip you with actionable insights and expert advice tailored specifically for navigating the Fresno real estate market during a divorce. 1. Understanding the legal selling your house in a divorce. When going through a divorce, it's important to understand how property ownership is affected, especially if you're planning to sell your house. This is particularly crucial in Fresno, California, where specific laws and regulations come into play. In this section, we'll explore the key legal aspects of selling a house during a divorce in Fresno and provide insights on navigating this process smoothly. How divorce impacts property ownership rights in Fresno, California. One of the first things to understand is that California operates under community property laws. This means that any assets acquired during the marriage are typically considered jointly owned by both spouses, including real estate properties like houses. Here are some important points to know about community property laws in California and their impact on home sales during divorce. 1. Equal ownership rights. Regardless of whose name is on the title, both parties have equal ownership rights over the house. 2. Equal division of proceeds. Unless stated otherwise in a marital settlement agreement, MSA, any proceeds from selling the house must be divided equally between both spouses. 3. MSA's role. A marital settlement agreement, MSA, is a legally binding document that outlines how assets and debts will be divided between spouses. 3. In the context of selling a house during a divorce. 1. An MSA can specify terms for the sale and distribution of proceeds. 2. It helps prevent conflicts by clearly defining each party's rights and obligations. The importance of expert guidance in property division. During divorce, dividing property can be one of the most challenging aspects of a divorce, especially when emotions are running high. That's why it's crucial to seek guidance from experienced family law attorneys in Fresno who specialize in handling these matters. By working with knowledgeable professionals, you can 1. Gain clarity on how community property laws specifically apply to your situation. 2. Understand your rights and options when it comes to selling the house. 3. Ensure a fair and equitable division of assets through negotiations or legal proceedings if necessary. Having this support can significantly reduce stress and uncertainty during the divorce process, allowing you to focus on rebuilding your life. With these legal considerations in mind, selling your house during a divorce in Fresno can become less daunting when you understand your rights and have clear guidance from legal experts. 2. Evaluating your home selling options, pros and cons. Discussing different selling methods and their suitability for divorce situations. Selling a house during a divorce in Fresno, California can be daunting. Various selling options are available, each with its own set of pros and cons. 2 common methods worth considering are selling as is and selling for cash. Pros and cons of selling a house as is during a divorce in Fresno. Pros. 1. Speed. Selling as is often results in a quicker sale since you won't need to spend time on repairs or upgrades. 2. Less stress. Avoid the emotional and financial strain of fixing up a home during an already stressful time. 3. Cost savings. Save on repair costs, which can be substantial depending on the condition of the property. Cons. 1. Lower sale price. Buyers may offer less money since they will have to invest in repairs themselves. 2. Market perception. Some buyers might view as-is homes as problematic, reducing the pool of potential buyers. 3. Disclosure requirements. Legal obligations to disclose known issues still apply, potentially complicating the sale process. Benefits and considerations of working with Click Cash. Home buyers in Fresno, California. Benefits. 1. Quick transactions. Cash home buyers can close deals much faster than traditional buyers requiring mortgage approval. 2. Certainty. Cash offers are less likely to fall through compared to financed offers that depend on loan approvals. 3. Convenience. These buyers often purchase properties as is, eliminating the need for repairs or staging. Considerations. 1. Lower offers. Cash buyers typically offer less than market value due to their quick closing advantage. 2. Scams potential. It's crucial to vet cash buyers carefully to avoid fraudulent schemes. 3. Limited negotiation. There's usually less room for price negotiation with cash offers compared to traditional sales. Understanding these options helps make an informed decision on how best to proceed with selling your house during a divorce in Fresno, California. 3. The step-by-step guide to selling your house. During divorce in Fresno, California, when going through a divorce in Fresno, California, and selling your house at the same time, it's important to have a clear plan in place. This will help reduce stress and increase the chances of a successful sale. Here is a step-by-step guide that you can follow. 1. Consult with legal professionals. 1. Why? Understand your legal rights and responsibilities. 2. How? Schedule meetings with family law attorneys who specialize in divorce cases in Fresno. 2. Get a home valuation. 1. Why? Determine the current market value of your home. 2. How? Hire a professional appraiser or seek guidance from a local real estate agent who has knowledge about the Fresno housing market. 3. Decide on selling method. 1. Why? Choose the best approach based on your specific situation. 2. How? Consider the advantages and disadvantages of selling as is versus using traditional methods, or explore the option of selling to cash buyers for a faster transaction. 4. Prepare your home for sale. 1. Why? Increase the attractiveness of your property and potentially raise its sale price. 2. How? Start by decluttering each room, addressing any necessary repairs, and staging your home in a way that appeals to potential buyers. 5. List the property. 1. Why? Reach out to a wide range of potential buyers. 2. How? Collaborate with a local real estate agent to create an appealing listing that includes high-quality photographs and detailed descriptions. 6. Market the property. 1. Why? Generate interest and receive competitive offers. 2. How? Make use of online listings, social media platforms, open houses, and local advertising channels to maximize the visibility of your property. 7. Review offers together. 1. Why? Ensure that both parties are in agreement regarding the best offer received. 2. How? Have open and objective discussions with your spouse and legal advisors about the merits of each offer. 8. Negotiate terms of sale. 1. Why? Finalize the specific details of the sale in a way that benefits both parties. 2. How? Engage either your real estate agent or attorney to handle negotiations related to buyer requests and contingencies. 9. Finalize divorce agreement. 1. Why? Make sure that the division of property aligns with the terms outlined in your legal agreements. 2. How? Update your marital settlement agreements to reflect the terms of the sale and how the proceeds will be distributed. 10. Close the sale. 1. Why? Complete the legal transfer of ownership. 2. How? Attend closing meetings, sign all necessary documents, and verify that all financial transactions have been executed accurately. By following these steps in a systematic manner, you can simplify the process of selling your house during a divorce in Fresno, California. 4. Key house strategies for a smooth and timely sale. Importance of setting the right timeline. Selling a house during a divorce in Fresno, California requires careful planning, especially when it comes to timing. The local real estate market can influence how quickly your house sells and at what price. It's crucial to set a realistic timeline that aligns with both parties' needs while considering market trends. 1. Monitor market conditions. Keep an eye on the Fresno housing market to identify the best time to sell your house. 1. Look for peak selling seasons when buyer activity is high, such as spring and summer. 2. Understand the current supply and demand dynamics in your area. 3. Analyze recent sales data to get an idea of what similar properties are selling for. 2. Consider legal constraints. Make sure your timeline takes into account any legal requirements or court dates associated with your divorce. 1. Consult with your attorney to understand any specific timeframes you need to adhere to. 2. Communicate effectively with your ex-spouse and legal representatives to avoid unnecessary delays. Tips for preparing your home for a faster sale. Presentation is key when aiming for a quick sale. Here are some actionable tips. 1. Declutter and depersonalize. Create a blank canvas that allows potential buyers to envision themselves living in the house. 1. Remove personal items like family photos and religious symbols. 2. Clear out excess furniture to make rooms appear more spacious. 3. Organize closets and storage areas to showcase ample storage space. 2. Address minor repairs. Fixing small issues around the house can go a long way in improving its overall appeal. 1. Repair leaky faucets, squeaky doors, and loose cabinet handles. 2. Touch up chipped paint or consider repainting high-traffic areas if needed. 3. Replace burnt-out light bulbs and ensure all fixtures are in working condition. 3. Consider staging services. Professional staging can help highlight your home's best features and create an inviting atmosphere. 1. Hire a staging company or work with a real estate agent who offers staging services. 2. Use neutral colors, tasteful decor, and strategic furniture placement to enhance each room. 3. Pay attention to curb appeal by adding potted plants, refreshing the front door, or tidying up the landscaping. Leveraging the expertise of a local real estate agent. A knowledgeable real estate agent familiar with divorce sales in Fresno can be invaluable. 1. Experience. Agents experienced in divorce sales understand the unique challenges and can provide tailored advice. 2. Negotiation skills. A skilled agent can mediate between divorcing spouses, ensuring that both parties' interests are represented. 3. Local market. Insight. Local agents have up-to-date information on Fresno's real estate trends, helping you set a competitive price. These strategies aim to streamline the home selling process during a divorce, making it as stress-free and efficient as possible. Protecting your financial interests through the sale, tax, and equity considerations. During a divorce, understanding how equity is divided and potential tax implications in Fresno, California. Divorce cases. Dividing equity during a divorce can be complex. In Fresno, California, as with other parts of the state, the community property law dictates that assets acquired during the marriage are generally split equally between spouses. This includes real estate properties like your home. Equity division? The equity in your home represents the difference between its market value and any outstanding mortgage balance. For instance, if your house is valued at $400,000 with a remaining mortgage of $150,000, the equity stands at $250,000. This amount typically needs to be divided equally unless otherwise agreed upon in a marital settlement agreement. Tax implications. Selling your house can trigger capital gains tax if the profit exceeds certain thresholds. For married couples filing jointly, up to $500,000 in profit can be excluded from capital gains tax. However, this exclusion drops to $250,000 for single filers. It's crucial to consider how these tax laws apply to your specific situation to avoid unexpected tax burdens. Mitigating tax consequences when selling a house before divorce in Fresno, California. Mitigating tax consequences requires strategic planning. Some key considerations include 1. Timing of sale. Selling the house while still legally married allows you to leverage the higher $500,000 capital gains exclusion. 2. Utilizing tax professionals. Consulting with a tax advisor can help identify potential deductions and credits that may reduce your overall tax liability. 3. Alternative solutions. Options such as transferring ownership or deferring sale until post-divorce could also be explored based on financial advisement. Understanding these aspects ensures both parties are financially protected during this challenging period. 5. Navigating potential challenges with your spouse selling your house. Divorce can be tough, especially when it comes to selling a house that you both own. It's important to approach this situation with cooperation in order to divide your assets fairly in Fresno, California divorces. Tips for working together. 1. Open communication. Keep the lines of communication open with your spouse. 1. Talk about what you want and any concerns you may have to avoid misunderstandings. 2. Shared goals. Agree on what you both want to achieve with the sale. 2. This includes deciding on a timeline, price range, and whether or not to make any improvements before selling. 3. Mediation services. If things get difficult, consider hiring a mediator who specializes in divorce cases. 3. They can help you work out disagreements about property division without things getting worse. 4. Legal agreements. Create a clear agreement that outlines each person's responsibilities during the sale process. 4. This can help prevent conflicts and provide legal protection. 5. Neutral professionals. Get assistance from unbiased experts like real estate agents who have experience with divorce sales. 5. Their neutrality can make negotiations smoother. 6. Respect boundaries. Give each other space and respect each other's boundaries during this emotional time. 6. Avoid making decisions on your own that could break trust. By using these strategies, both of you can focus on the same objective, which is to sell the house without unnecessary stress and conflict while considering each other's needs and reaching a fair resolution. 6. Seeking professional guidance. Throughout the divorce home selling journey, divorce, especially in Fresno, California, presents unique challenges when selling a house. Consulting with relevant professionals can significantly streamline the process and safeguard your interests. Family law attorneys. Family law attorneys are vital in navigating the legal intricacies of property division. They ensure compliance with California's community property laws, protect your rights, and facilitate amicable settlements. Tax advisors. Tax implications can be complex during a divorce. Tax advisors provide crucial insights into potential liabilities or benefits from selling your home. They help in understanding capital gains taxes, exemptions, and strategies to mitigate tax burdens. Real estate agents. A local real estate agent with experience in divorce sales is invaluable. They offer market insights specific to Fresno, assist in setting a competitive price, and manage negotiations to expedite a fair sale. Consulting these professionals at different stages of selling your house ensures informed decisions, reduces stress, and helps achieve a favorable financial outcome during the divorce process. Conclusion: selling your house to Click Cash home buyers. Selling a house during a divorce in Fresno, California can be complex and challenging. It's important to have the right support to ensure a successful outcome. That's where Click Cash home buyers comes in. Here's why choosing Click Cash home buyers is a smart move. 1. Quick sale process. We understand that time is of the essence. 1. Our streamlined process allows you to sell your house quickly, meeting any urgent timelines you may have. 2. Fair cash offers. You deserve to get the best value for your property. 2. We provide competitive cash offers that reflect the fair market price of your home. 3. Stress-free transactions. Dealing with repairs or staging can add unnecessary stress to an already difficult situation. 3. With Click Cash home buyers, you can sell your house as is without any need for repairs or staging. By working with professionals who specialize in divorce-related home sales, you can achieve a resolution that is both amicable and financially beneficial. HATPS W.Click Cash home buyers. We buy houses, Fresno, California. Cash for your house. Fresno, Click Cash home buyers. Click Cash home buyers. Sell my house fast, Fresno, California with Click Cash home buyers. Get a quick cash offer and sell my house fast. www.clickcashhomebuyers.com.